is a new day. I
ไป
wanna
ចប់ទឹកកន្លនេះអញ្ចឹងយើងមានក្រុមការងារជួយ
to smile and sing for the world. Today is a new day to live something new, to connect with new people, to smile and sing for the world. Open your eyes and look to infinity. Good energies will come. Today is a beautiful day. Maybe we will meet and be sure that I just want to love you today.
សូមអរគុណចំពោះឯកឧត្តមលោកជំទាវព្រមទាំងមីប្រធានការដ្ឋាននិងអនុប្រធានការដ្ឋានព្រមទាំងបូពងខាងផ្នែកលុបអរគុណនេះ
បុរីលីសុវណ្ណគេហដ្ឋានក្នុងក្តីស្រមៃ